Hello everyone, this is Kweku from Next Gen Windows. Today I bring you the preview version of the Windows 9 Notification Center from the same leaker as before, WinFuture. Here's the video right here, and on the left side here I'm going to also compare it to the current Windows Phone 8.1 Notification Center, as you can see right there. So I'm going to start playing it. Clearly, for starters, right there you can see, let me try to click away from this thing. There you go. Yeah, for starters, right in the top right over here, you can see that this symbol is kind of really too big for the safe to remove hardware, but it is a new thing that is in Windows 9. It allows you obviously to see when it's safe to remove hardware, things like that. Before, it popped up in this corner here, the small little box. Now it is more a Metro style icon. So as we continue, let's try to move this play button out of the way. There you go. As you can see right there, he's opening up the notification center. My bad. You can see right there, he's opened up the notification center as I pause the video. Right here, you can see the notifications file explorer. You can see your safe to remove hardware stuff. Windows.systemtoast.autoplay. So it's just the autoplay hardware when you plug in like a USB flash drive and things like that. One of the things that's kind of awkward for that notification center compared to Windows phones is that it kind of shows too much. I was kind of hoping maybe, like I saw in some comments in some forums, that let's say you were playing a game, or when you turn on your computer, a game that you have has an update. It could prompt you in the notification center that you have an update, and that way you act on that notification, thus opening the game and updating it. That's a good thing for it, but this one seems to show a little too much info. I don't know exactly what would be too much, but to me, too much is like showing system.toast.autoplay. It's not really specific. I feel like it should just say USB device. Yeah, you can choose what device is currently plugged in. So USB device is shown, similar to how when you go to my computer down here, you can see, whatever devices are there, and you can see which ones are removable and things like that. So I kind of wish I could see something like that, but obviously this is very, very early. Windows 9 preview is not supposed to release until sometime in October. But as we continue to click some more, you can see he's clicking away from it. And then you see says from Skype. That's a normal thing that always happens. But now that he's gotten a Skype notification and he's gotten some messages from Skype, you can see how Skype is kind of laid out. Skype notifications are kind of laid out. But in Windows Phone, if you were to get a Skype notification, let me unlock the phone and let's go down. If you were to get a Skype notification, it would appear right here, and it would say Skype, and then in smaller print, it would say Skype. And then below that, it would say your notification, whether you had a message or something like that in this area down here. So that's something else that I kind of wish that they would make it. They would shrink the Skype icon a little bit. Obviously, this is preview, so it's not going to be exact until the release. You won't know anything solidified until release comes out. So we'll see some more. And then let's see what else he's doing right there. So he's rearranging priority of what is being shown. So you can see right there, he changed the file explorer to down there. You can see the icon changed. Let's back up a tiny bit. You can see right there. And then if we go forward, he's added another message. In fact, not the file explorer, but he just messaged again. It showed up in the corner that it would normally show up, up here in my screen. It showed up in that same corner, as well as showing up in the notification center. Yes, it is to me kind of a mess right now, but obviously, again, this is preview, so it will always be kind of a mess. So let's continue to see some more. There you go. He's continuing with the push notifications from Skype, because that's how you can see messaging in Windows 8. So let's continue to see what else he's doing. He just continues to get Skype messages, and they push down all the notifications out of sight eventually. And you can see them. They're all by time, just like in Windows Phone. They're all by time. So we can see some more here. So he's doing that. Now, one thing that I wish that they would put into this notification center is the settings, things like that, similar to Windows Phone. So let me open up the Windows Phone and drag down. So you can see over here, you see I have settings and things like that. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I have settings and things like that over here. I have Bluetooth, airplane mode, rotation lock. So a way that I feel like they could implement this in Windows 9, I feel like what they should do is they should put Wi-Fi in there, or just your internet settings. So like over here, you go to settings and you can go to your internet. So if I click settings, you can see your network. I feel like they should put this network indicator over there. They should also put yes, they have power in the start menu over here, but I kind of feel like they could also put power in there, or just better yet, they could just let you customize what's up in this corner over here. And maybe they could let you choose a set number of, let's say, widgets or icons, or a set number of whatever you would call these things, buttons that you could place over there. So maybe you could place more depending on the size of your screen. So if you have like a longer screen, like I do, the 21:9 screen, you could put maybe like 4 or so, because it's a more stretched out screen. Or if you have multiple monitors, you could put more. Or they should do something like quick toggle settings, so that way you don't have to go into your settings to actually change stuff. You can just, if you want to quickly change Wi-Fi networks or set up Wi-Fi networks, yes, there's Wi-Fi there, but I feel like they should also put Wi-Fi in here, or internet in there. I'm not sure if that's a good idea. Let me know what you guys think. As well as, Bluetooth, definitely Bluetooth, because Bluetooth is kind of a hassle to get to in Windows 8 currently. You got to go one click to settings, and then you got to click on change PC settings, or just click settings. So you got to click change PC settings. That's 2 clicks. Obviously, I have 2 things open, so let me just do that. And then you got to go all the way to PC and devices. That's another click. And then you got to go to devices. Well, actually, not necessarily devices, because I don't have Bluetooth in this computer, I just realized. But it's like 4 or so steps that they could save time simply by just putting it right here in line, just like Windows Phone here. So yeah, they could put these same 4 things, or maybe change it up, because desktops don't necessarily have rotations that they need to lock. Maybe that can be an option for if it detects that you have a tablet device like a Surface or something. You could turn on rotation lock. That way it doesn't flip over when you flip orientations. They could put Wi-Fi there. They could put Bluetooth there, or just not Wi-Fi necessarily, but just internet connectivity there. They could put Bluetooth there. They could put, let's say, I'm not sure what else would even be in there, because on Samsung Galaxy tablets, they have a bunch of quick toggle settings that you can choose to put into the top row of your notification center. So they should do something like that you can control different aspects of your computer very quickly. So if you want to go to choose a Bluetooth device, say your Bose speaker, you can just click your Bluetooth option right there. Let's open it full. You can click your Bluetooth option right there. They should do internet. They should do possibly even search. Maybe if they want to move search from here, they could put it in the notification center. But then again, this icon is kind of small for viewing. Let me see if I can get rid of this. Let's see. No, it won't go away. But yeah, this icon is kind of small, so I'm not exactly sure. But there's so many options that are in, probably most of your minds that are watching this video about how they can improve this. So many options in my mind. I haven't even gathered them together, but let me not waste your time. The point of this video was Windows 9 does have a notification center. Whether it's useful right now as it is, or how it can be improved, we'll see it in the future. Maybe closer to the date of somewhere around in October. We'll see how much they've improved it. This build is supposed to be rapidly being updated with new ideas and things like that. Even in my past videos, I'm not even sure if this notification center was even there, which means this could be a newer build if I'm right. So we never know. This has been Kweku from Next Gen Windows, and this has been the Windows 9 Notification Center leak video. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.